little portion of the 25%. Oh, 25%. Oh, that's mine. But you get in a portion of it. And then they'll pay you back.
They write it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story.
Alright, come on.
Getting headlines.
Sure, buddy. Oh, yeah? Cool. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of the three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, Emma. That's my cousin. That's my cousin. I asked Red. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's cousin. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome. It looks like a warm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to schooner.
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later.
See you guys. See ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't hear me.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness. I bet you can. Yeah.
And
I'm not that
I
loud.
take somewhere along to
Oh, nice hit there. Woo!
Ah.
Huh? You picking her up?
All my brother's here and I'm not taking brother home.
I could prod it, dude.
Too bad, it's on the back.
I was one time crying to midnight.
Mike must come back.
Somehow I didn't eat it.
Oh my goodness, that
It was
was
like a week after I was down at the feet.
no shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton out of the Lee jersey. Oh, they had almost a jersey.
Right there. Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he or me? No, you can go.
What's your name?
John. What's your last name? Yeah.
Well, you can take it down.
Well, I already know we're 9 points today.
That's freaking awesome.
Is it? Like down in Chinatown?
Down by Bulltown. I know where Bulltown
Is that what they call Georgetown?
We just call Bulltown.
Yeah, I could hang out at Bullcrow again for a little bit and get some drinks on. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, man.
Well, you got two sisters and take a team.
Oh, you guys got your team. Yeah, I actually got a board.
You can go later on.
I'm not sure about it. You gotta take some people along.
Everybody's like, Intercourse is gonna win.
Ladies first.